Treble staff notes. Firstly, we shall take a look at the lines in the top staff or treble staff. The notes of the lines on the treble staff as follows. Line notes. Starting on the lowest of the 5 lines, the notes that correspond to the lines of the treble staff are E, G, B, D, F. A good way to remember this is with the phrase, "Every good boy does fine." How about the spaces? Space notes. Starting on the first space, the notes that correspond to the spaces of the treble staff are F, A, C, E. It's a spelling of the word face and is easy to remember. Bass staff notes. We now take a look at bass staff notes. These notes are usually lower than middle C on your piano, but it's common to see notes above middle C. Line notes. Starting on the lowest of the 5 lines, the notes that correspond to the lines of the bass staff are G, B, D, F, A. A great way to remember this is with the phrase, "Good boys do fine always." How about the spaces of the bass staff? Space notes. Starting in the first space, the notes that correspond to the spaces of the bass staff are A, C, E, G. To help you remember, a good phrase is, "All cows eat grass."